back to my channel. So we're gonna hop straight into this Halloween clown look. I'm starting off with the Reversal Planet palette by Beauty Glaze, and I'm using the black eyeshadow. I've done a review on this palette before, so I'm not gonna talk too much on it. You can go check that out. I'll link it down below. This eyeshadow is amazing. It just does have a lot of fallout, and my makeup was done already, so this is very last minute. I would recommend you doing your eyeshadow before doing your makeup. But this is very beginner friendly. This is last minute. If you decide to do a Halloween look and you're like, I don't know what to do, this should be very easy for you. I'm just packing the black eyeshadow all over my lid, and I'm taking the maroon color Rust and putting it on top to add a pop of color. So this is definitely optional. I just wanted to add a little something, but the whole goal here is to smoke this eye out and go crazy. Just go crazy with the eyeshadow, okay? Just pop it on all over that lid, okay? I'm also using the same black eyeshadow and just taking it underneath my eye once again to smoke it out. Now I'm taking my E.L.F. liquid eyeliner and I'm just doing a slight little wing. Y'all know I just wing it. I don't know how to describe it. I just wing it, okay? I just wing it. And I'm using these lashes that are so old, I don't even know what lashes they are. But I'm gonna use my duo glue to pop them on. Dramatic, I know. Now we're gonna get to the fun side. So for this half clown look, yes, my makeup was done, but I went ahead and traced out my little clown side, and then I just removed my makeup. So basically this doesn't have to be perfect either. You don't have to worry about getting the perfect line. I promise it's gonna be fine. This is a last minute look, very easy, so have no fear. Marion is here to save the day. After I draw my line, I am going to remove my makeup so I can apply my paint. So now that the makeup is gone, I'm gonna start with my brows. So y'all, yes, y'all see Elmer school glue. We don't have any projects over here. We're just trying to get these brows in shape. If you don't know, this is a method where you can like hide your eyebrows. So I'm taking this powder, translucent white powder, E.L.F, and I'm applying it over my brows. And basically because I'm using white paint and I don't want my brows to be visible, I'm covering them up. I'm new to this process, so I should have did another layer, but I mean, it worked out. Next up, I'm using this Miron paint palette on Amazon for $34, but you can always buy some 99-cent paint at Walmart. Yes, last minute Walmart. But this paint is amazing if you do choose to buy it. I am now going to paint my entire face white. Honestly, y'all, this is the hardest part of the whole look. Like, what? Yes, this is the hardest part. And I only say that it was hard because I was using the wrong type of brush for this white paint. As you can see, it was leaving streaks on my face, so it was just like hard to work with. But once I found the right brush for me, it all came together. Basically, what you're gonna do here is just paint the entire side of your face white and keep layering it up until you get the desired whiteness on that side of your face. Now we're gonna do the eyebrow, and I'm using this black paint. Once again, you can get black paint 99 cents on Walmart in the Halloween section, but I'm using this black paint and I'm trying to make my little thin clown brow. Like I mentioned before, I could have did another layer of glue and powder on my brow. I was new to this, I'm sorry, but I just went in between my real brow to kind of cover that up, and it worked out. I mean, you really can't tell, just don't look too hard. But I was looking at a picture for reference with the eyebrow, so honestly, you can do your eyebrow however you want. Just Google a nice little picture of somebody, of a clown, of something, and just make your brow however you want. Just keep it thin, okay? Keep it thin. I would also like to point out that I know my hands look ashy, but I promise it's white paint, okay? I use lotion. I'm so sorry. It's so embarrassing. But yeah, that's paint, y'all. It is paint on my hand. Anywho, now I'm going into the black eyeshadow and we're about to smoke out the other eye. But this time we're on top of paint and not on top of skin. Just want y'all to know that. I just continue to build the black eyeshadow, but I thought of something else. I went ahead and went back into my paint palette and I decided to paint on my lid as well to kind of darken it up because it was a tiny bit harder to kind of blend on top of this paint. But I made it work with adding paint and then going back in with black eyeshadow. Don't forget about your under eye, ladies and gentlemen. So now, y'all, I don't know why I did this. I was using a liquid eyeliner to do my bottom eye. Just use a black eyeliner pencil. Make it easier for yourself. And just do your waterline, and I'm using some mascara. So now we're going into the red paint, and we're gonna do the nose. Ooh. Basically, you just paint the entire first part of your nose. I would say about an inch, depending on how big or small your nose is. Just cover the whole front of your nostril. I did go over this a few times because it was kind of mixing with the white paint and making pink. And I wanted a red nose, not a pink nose. Now it's time for your lips. I think this is probably my favorite part. But I'm just outlining my lips in red and filling them in. And I'm also starting off that little line that'll be connected to my eyes. So you just do that and you just paint it in. The nose and the lips are done, and next we're gonna do these lines. What is this supposed to be? I don't even know, but it's those two long lines on his face, you know. Yeah, those. So I'm starting off with a triangle above my fake thin brow. You know, make that triangle very big and wide or thin and small. It depends on what you prefer. I made mine bigger because I did put the little fake diamond studs on the other side. So I wanted them to be even and give myself room to stick those stickers on there. But if you don't do that and you choose not to do that, you can definitely make it a lot thinner. Once again, this does not have to be perfect. You can just outline it in general. I wanted to show y'all, like, look, I was all over the place, okay? Okay, but I fixed it. All you need to do right here is just basically outline it where you want it to be and then go back in and fix it up. Alright guys, it's done. Now we're gonna go into this brown eyeshadow in the color Cocoa, and basically we're just gonna outline this whole white side of your face to give it a little more pop out, a little more 3D effects, okay? And just add some effects to it, make it look like you really tried. But I'm just going over that part with brown, and then I'm taking that maroon color that we used earlier in the color Rust, and I'm also blending this on top of that brown. And then I'm going to go in with a black and use the same thing and just blend it down. So basically those three colors to kind of create this this mix of colors, I guess, yeah. And then we're just going to blend it out with an eyeshadow brush that has nothing on it. And that's all we're going to do there. Oh, watch this magic trick. Boom. Aha! Okay, so the lashes are on and I'm taking these adhesive gems. Is that how you pronounce it? Gems? Yeah. From Walmart. Once again, 90 cents this time, ladies and gentlemen. 90 cents. Y'all, this took me so long, honestly, because I don't know why. But they are self-adhesive, so I just stuck them on there. I put them too close together at first, so I ended up spacing them out a bit more. But yeah, I just wanted a little razzle-dazzle. A little sparkle, a little shine, a little, you know. But alright guys, we're almost done. Now I'm going to my neck and I'm just painting it white. Yeah, this is basically self-explanatory. I'm just painting my neck white. And I'm only doing my neck white where my face is white to kind of keep it like a whole thing, like a whole consistency type thing. I'm also doing that same eyeshadow thing that I did at the top to the bottom. So I'm using brown, the maroon color, and the black eyeshadow to create that effect. Next, I'm going to use my Pollyeye Contacts. I've done a review on them before, so check that out. But they sent me 4 new contacts, and I'm going to be using them, so stay tuned. But in this video, I'll be using the red contacts in the shade. I'll put it on the screen because I'm not sure right now. But I'm using these, and they're going to fit perfectly. I'm only going to use one to give myself that spooky, ooky effect. And I'm also going to be using this fake vampire blood from, you guessed it, Walmart. Now for the final look. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, this is a part of like a week-long countdown to Halloween that I'm doing on my channel. If you haven't seen my other videos, please check those out as well because they were so much fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those post notifications on so you don't miss a beat. Bye guys.